Hi, welcome back to another Nature in Our Neighborhood video. In this video, we will be making an upcycled craft. We're going to be making a reusable DIY t-shirt tote bag. So the end result of our t-shirt tote project will be a t-shirt reusable bag with a nice solid bottom that you can use at the farmer's market or the grocery store, or to carry your field guides or nature journal around in, whatever might be useful. An upcycled craft is taking something that you maybe would have discarded of in other circumstances if you didn't need it anymore and turning it into something new and useful. You can decide to either have the logo of your shirt facing out and becoming the logo of the bag, or you can have the logo on the interior of the bag. You can flip it inside out too, depending on how you like it. Also, you might want the tied knots that you'll see at the end to be on the outside of the bag, or you might prefer to have them hidden away on the inside. It's kind of all up to you.
All right, let's get started. You'll need your t-shirt and you'll need your scissors. The first step is to cut both sleeves off of the shirt from inside of the stitching. You can keep the sleeve for another project or craft later on. Next, you'll cut the collar off of the shirt. You can make this cut shallower or deeper depending on your preference. At the bottom hem of the shirt, you're going to want to cut about 1.5 to 2 inch long strips that are about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch wide. You will cut these on both the top and bottom part of the shirt. Now that they're all cut, revisit the sides of the shirt and make sure that the one large strip is also cut in two on either side. Next, you will match the strips on the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt and tie them all into double knots. This part takes the longest. Now you're all set. You can flip the cut edges to the inside of the bag if you prefer, and you could cut the collar a little deeper if you'd like a larger opening to your bag.
We hope you found this video helpful and fun. If you end up making one of your old t-shirts into a new reusable tote bag, let us know how it turns out. Send us a picture in the comments.